Now that the eyes of my doll is dry, we're going to paint the mouth with the pink color. And you do the same thing, shake it. I'm going to use an empty Sharpie to color the doll's mouth. Maybe if I put her upside down. Let's turn this way. It is not easy to do this on camera. I dip on a fabric paint and I keep working. Going to put a little bit fresh paint to do the eyelashes. For the cheeks, I'm going to use this e.l.f. eye brush. You can use blush, but I prefer to use the fabric paint. You take the extras out. And rub on your doll cheeks. I'm gonna put a little bit more, so be a little bit dark. Same thing on the other side. Take some of the extra paint. If you want a little bit darker, just put a little bit more. Now I'm gonna use the white, just a little bit. With a pencil, I'm going to make a little white dot over here. My dog Lexi is laying down here. And sometimes she makes a little noisy. The white dots is for the shiny on the eyes. I think that's what it means. Okay, so this part of the doll is done. We're going to glue a piece of ribbon on this part of the doll, just on the top. You just go on top and see. Cut it. Make sure to grab the same size that you wanted. For this part, you just follow what I'm doing. Do this for both of them. This is not straight. Make sure it is straight. All right, so now that we're done, we're going to glue in here with the fabric glue. Don't go away, doll. Gotta stay over here. Same thing you're going to do on this other side. Make sure it matches the same height over here. I could use white ribbon, but I decided to go with the black. A little bit more. I prefer to use the fabric glue because if it is not on a spot that I don't want it, I can always remove it. The hot glue is just a mess to do this detail part of the doll. There you go. Now we are going to glue the little hands. Make sure that I sweep it out. Some leftover yarns that drop in here. I already glue one of the little hands. Now I'm gonna glue the other one. Just make sure you keep your hot glue on a low setting. Take the hair out of the way and hold and press until the glue is settled. Now make sure for the spots that you need to add a little bit more glue. So right here needs a little bit more. Press gently and hold it. You gotta be careful when you play with the hot glue, right? It's always a mess. Make sure if this part or when you're gluing the little hand, if it is not glued together on the body of the doll, you gotta make sure that you lift it up, put a little bit of glue under and press it down. So as you can see, they both are glue. Only the middle part is lifting. See here I can put a little bit of glue over here on this little hand, and I can press down. Same way as you would be doing with this one if it was not all the way glued already. And there you go. You don't want to leave pieces of glue showing off, so make sure that you clean those out. Now it's time to glue the ribbon bows. You can buy from the store or you can make your own. I made mine. And now I'm going to glue on a doll with hot glue. You gotta be careful when you're gonna glue on this part because you don't have a lot of space. There you go. I gotta hold the doll this way so I can make sure I glue in the right spot. And there you go. Let's brush it up. And your doll, it's all done. And now you have a cute decoration doll that you can use it for birthday parties, baby shower. You can decorate your girl's room, put on a bookshelf. It's only for decoration. And it's a cute doll. If you enjoy all the 4 parts of this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!